Welcome to the Pesca. The town of Pesca is located in the province of Sogamoxi in the department of Boyacá, approximately 4 hours from Bogotá. It is a town with a cold climate that, due to its geology, has spectacular views. It is either for mountain bike, ecology walks, and party. When you are here, you can eat while you visit Pesca, a roasted white potatoes, boyacense stew are typical food on the place. And if you want to finish with a rich dessert of feijoa or chocolate or a rich merengue, you can also find home-made food if you don't want anything typical. You can drink chicha, beer, water, natural juice, or any drink you like. To visit you will in Pantano Grande, the sure that as an impressive artificial Tuli story and many other places where you can do activities choose as mountain bike, paragliding, bonfires in the mountains that allow a small meditation. You can stay in country hotels or open air domes, but if you don't want to be so far from civilization, there are many hotels in the city that offer you comfort. And if you don't have your own transportation, it's normal and uh, and normal to take transportation in the transportation terminal where the bus leave every 20 minutes to the town central park. The ticket costs 5,000 column person, or another transportation option is to take a taxi. Both of these it costs you around 30,000 Colombian pesos to take you to the central park of the town. This beautiful tribe of reeds and harmony while have a price depending on where you live. The cost varies, but approximately is between 16, 53,000 and 18,000 Colombian pesos. This pricing is per person while you stay. I hope that information has answered your question. We are waiting for you to like this beautiful experience.